So the Jacksonville Zoo does Spooktacular, where they open the zoo at night for Halloween. They're already setting up. So this is one of the murals, and what it'll do is it'll just block off this walkway into the African Loop area. It's pretty cool. This archway is more of their setup. They'll put lights over it, and then they'll have lights putting pictures and displays on the ground for Spooktacular. Some more setup for their Spooktacular. They've got these, I'm assuming they'll light up. They're glittery on the inside, so I imagine they'll put some kind of light to cause them to sparkle.
Spooktacular's on Sunday, right?
Spooktacular's in October. It starts the 13th. So if you're in the Jacksonville area, Spooktacular starts October the 13th. And it runs weekdays. There's the other side of the walkway.
Like stitched like
This guy's got like zigzag teeth. Pretty cool. This is a little further up the path from where we just were, where I showed you. This guy's vomiting. It's like scary, kind of scary. Bleh. And there's some more on this side over here. And Goofy. This is an older pumpkin. As you can see, he's lost his teeth. It's just gums. He's throwing up. These are really neat. They didn't have these last year. I actually don't know what the theme is. And then you can see here the stream of lights that line the walkways. But the coolest part, like I said, is on the ground they'll have projections, and it'll say like Spooktacular, or have like bats and stuff on the ground. Some more pumpkins. Some more over there.
You can see I'm staring at these pumpkins, and one of them is throwing up. It's pretty gross. I did not like it at all. Oh my gosh, more throwing up pumpkins. So weird. Gosh. They look so funny. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Over here we see some pretty cool ones. Oh, honestly, this one looks the coolest and scariest. It looks like one of those fishes. That one looks like an alien. Going to an alien place now. Some nice stuff. Okay.
These rock walls are new. I'm assuming they're doing some kind of decoration, because usually the gorilla path that leads up here, they'll do some kind of like haunted section, but they've got the gorilla statue walled off. So maybe they're refurbishing, cleaning them up or something. These are birds of paradise. Got a whole set of bushes here of them. This is the garden that's all in front of the giraffe overlook. Down there's where the pumpkins are. They have a lily pond. Kristen wants some of those birds of paradise for our yard. I want bamboo gardens. But they're doing some kind of renovation back here. Remember I told you the gorilla area up here was blocked off and there were walls in the way? This used to be all forested back here. So they're doing something. They're building some kind of display. Or maybe they're working, you know what, I bet that's their ramp. And I bet they're working on it. Because the ramp led to like an overlook. Or maybe they're building an overlook for the gorilla exhibit. But that definitely, this used to be a lot more wooded here. It's been a few months since we've been here though, so. Some more of the view of where it looks like they're doing some expansions. Like I said, last time we were here, this was all forested, but it's behind this this fence with this tarp over it. But
maybe it's for the Spooktacular.
no, I think they're expanding an exhibit or adding an exhibit.
Maybe they should add porcupine.
a porcupine exhibit. JJ's gonna eat salt and vinegar crickets. I will tell you the mistake I made was I got a leg caught in my throat. 2 of those stink. What do you think? What do you think of salt and vinegar crickets? It's just it's like a crunchy chip almost.
Yeah, it's like potato chips, but not at all.
Yeah, they've got like a nut flavor.
Yeah, it's like salt and vinegar almonds.
Yeah.
You get that straight away.
The what?
The salt and vinegar.
Jordan's eating he ate one of the crickets. What is that?
It's chewy candies.
Oh, okay.
Green apple chewy candies.
Allie's having birthday cake ice cream.
It's not bad.
I don't know what Kristen's doing.
Oh.
We've been in here quite a few times, but I don't remember the wall being decorated like this. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can buy it.
I guess they're made out of like paper mache or something. Oh, palms. They're made out of palm fronds. Very cool. Alright, that's the fish taco. We're in the restaurant inside the South America area of Jacksonville. It's a very simple fried fish taco. It's really crispy, the fish is. It's got lettuce, tomato, and cheese, and it's a simple flavor. Like, there's not a lot of like stuff on it, and it's just very clean and refreshing tasting. So I ate one of those and half the fish off of this one. Kristen ate one, and then she's gonna finish that out. And then we just ordered the kids a set. It's 3 tacos for $6 and some change. So it's a pretty good deal, and they're really good if you're ever in the Jacksonville Zoo. So this is one of the jaguars in the jaguar exhibit. The restaurant we were just in where we had the fish tacos, you get a better viewing because he's laying right there by the window, but it's so loud in there I figured I'd come out here and do it. So there they are, having a nap.
So this guy over here is a sucker fish. It's kind of hard to see him. Where'd he go? He is right here. He's very strange looking. Not normal. Does that look normal? Yeah, it is normal for algae. Mouth. See what algae he ate for dinner. Alright, maybe. He couldn't have. He couldn't have.
Hello. In this jaguar exhibit we have Saban, and the one on the window over there is Zenta.
So this is Saban?
I just got stabbed, man. I remember a gorilla died. This used to be a gorilla exhibit.
Really?
Yeah, it's been there for a really long time.
It died then. The gorilla died. When I was like 5 years old, it died. A gorilla died.
Mwahaha. Nice little path. Dudes everywhere. Flip. Oh no. Not the Lost Temple.
Yes, go into the Lost Temple. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
They had a rhino. They had a rhinoceros made out of Legos.
Yeah, it was pretty neat.
They had a bunch.
Yeah, for a very long time they had a bunch of like Legos, and it told you like how many Legos went into making it. They had one, it was a mama polar bear and three babies.
Yeah, it was awesome. How many Legos?
Into the creepy Lost. Right here is. Whoa.
I see it.
Oh, I can see some tree frogs. I see the froggies. You can see. So we have this creepy looking fellow right here.
Maybe he thinks you're creepy. Oh, hey, poison dart frogs in the back.
There is blue poison frogs. All right.
They're not poisonous.
Yeah, they are.
Those aren't.
I found the green.
and black poison dart.
greens are the ones
Because the reason
right back
poisonous
here.
poisonous is because of what they eat in their natural habitat.
Right here.
Feed it to them here so they're not poisonous.
Over here we have a massive hole. Who's back here actually? No one's back over here, but I know he's down there.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Look. He's right there.
Do you see his head? That's a big boy.
His head is right over here.
You should get in there with him. He just wants to be your friend.
He wants
learned my lesson
that's
from the Jungle
that's the pattern of his body.
That's a big boy.
He's blind too.
Yeah, but
Snake. Huh? Are you sure?
isn't all snakes
Yeah, last time we
blind?
were there, his eyes are completely.
Oh, here he is. He's up here.
That is
That is the smallest snake.
Brazilian rainbow boa.
Yep, a Brazilian or rainbow boa. He looks like he's asleep right now, so we're not gonna mess with him.
No,
This should be snakes.
no, these are fruit bats. Look, there's one on our fruit right there.
What?
Right there, you see it? Hanging from a fruit.
Oh yeah, there he is, hanging from a fruit. It's kind of hard to see. Let me just step into the light. That's what a bat looks like.
He's a bat inside the bat little. It's a fruit bat. See him sitting there drinking and eating? How cool. He's right here.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
That footage is not going to be the best because I have the aperture turned up to really high to pull in light to the lens so that I could get, but that's actually a really dark exhibit. Let me show you to it. Let me show you without any changes to the camera. This is what it looks like without any changes to the camera. Well, with the naked eye, so like you can sort of see him, but the camera has a trouble focusing.
These are easier to see. And you can see him flying around, trying to find a place to sleep. He's kind of hard to see. There should be sloth in this. Found him. He's up there.
There's a sloth.
Yeah, he's up here. See?
Well, and then there should be an armadillo.
Look on the camera. You can see him.
Yeah. It also says there should be an armadillo in here.
Armadillo in here. Armadillo.
Running around on the ground.
Armadillo.
On that side where you can't see.
No, I looked. He's not over there.
He might not be in there.
Who's supposed to be up here?
There's a monkey up there.
Oh, they're cotton top and tangerine.
There's a monkey in the
Hey, where do you go? You little monkey. Look, there he is. He's trying to run away. He's like, no, don't video record me.
Mama wants one of these monkeys.
I do too.
Not illegal though.
Oh, I can see him. He's up here. He's in the light.
Oh, cool.
He's like, can you see the light tonight? I found the anteater. He's way back over here. It's kind of hard to see him. He's right there. Again, another butt show. Oh, there's a squirrel monkey. They're supposed to be in that net right there.
No, I want this guy over here. Yeah.
Yeah, he's up in the light.
Super small. Yeah. They're always in
So we're going back to this guy. I honestly just thought I saw one.
Yeah,
Where is
these
this
guys.
guy?
They're funny.
I know, they look ridiculous.
He's hopping around.
Where are you, little monkey? He's monkeying around.
No, he's watching everybody. He's watching the shadow.
Hello, little guy.
Yeah, he's eating.
Say hi for the camera. No, stop trying to hide while eating. He's up there, he's up there.
He's eating.
Let's get a good video of him eating. Stop trying to hide. He's trying.
Like the camera.
Say hi.
No, he's on like what's his face from out at the museum? He's cute.
The monkey from out at the museum. That's a capuchin.
That's a capuchin, yeah. Oh, he dropped it.
Don't drop your food.
He's like,
He's like, where the heck did my food go?
Those monkeys are cool.
He's still up there.
I've got
Trying to figure out where his food has gone. And again, up here is this little fur ball. Why is he always up there?
they would chase each other.
Oh, I think he moved a little. Here, guys. There's at least 3 up there. And the anteater is moving. Yes. So we're gonna stop here for right now. We will see y'all later.
Somebody send help. I'm lost. I'm on a bridge. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh God. Don't hold on. You're ruining the effect of my movie, JJ.
Oh my God, 2.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, did one just pee?
This little guy's coming down.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, another one.
There's a bird on my hat.
There's a bird on your hat.
Hi, bird. Don't poop on my hat, bird.
There's one on JJ's head. Oh my God. Huh?
JJ's attracting all the birds.
Oh, that's too funny. There's a bird. It's looking for bugs in his hair.
Allie, why don't you
One here, and then this little guy here.
one on its head? One on his head. See?
Come over here.
Put your hand closer.
Oh my God.
Put your hand closer to the bird on his arm.
Oh my gosh, your tongue looks so weird. Come over here. Save.
JJ, now you need to get a bird because they like you.
Oh my gosh.
It's because I'm not scared of the birds.
I'm gonna need a birdie. Oh, whatever.
Hi.
He's like, hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. He's like, never mind.
I have named him Bird 1. That is Bird 2.
Like bird poo.
Oh, this one's eyeing me.
What are you looking at?
There you go. There you go. Don't move, Allie.
There he is.
Don't move.
You gotta keep your arm out like this. Go
Hey,
like this.
Allie got one.
Go exactly like this.
Hello.
No,
I will
don't
name
give
you
him the food. Let him
Bird,
come
hello.
to you. There you go. See?
I'll name you Hello Bird.
There.
We're feeding the birds.
Stop just coming in your pot and then coming out.
Make sure you're not trying to pick them up with your arm.
See? They come to you. See? So you just gotta keep your arm out.
Delicious Snicker.
There's one over there too. Yeah, I know.
It's like it's gonna move this way. Look, it keeps doing that. Just watch my word. I wish these were actually our birds. It's really nice.
She went to the restroom.
I feel like I need a bird now.
I don't think your mom's gonna let you have a bird.
I want this bird.
Hey, don't yell at me because they took your nectar, okay? Don't yell at me because they took your nectar. Okay?
Come here.
Oh, there it goes back
Are
to
you
yours.
hungry? Yay!
Great, now I'm the squatting bird stool. I've squatted down so that this bird could reach her nectar. I think he's full. I think he's full.
You're full already.
Now he needs to use the bathroom.
Awesome. Hopefully not on my back.
I think I know what just happened. The bird came over to me, saw her.
I have a friend. He's going home with me.
And his name is, I
Go.
don't pronounce it.
You can go. Okay.
No, it likes you.
All right. Or you can stay there. That's fine.
Oh, there it is.
That was pretty cool. I think that's it, baby. Once it's got just the goo in the bottom, then you're done. Oh, you got a little bit. So we're hanging out. We're gonna go see the 4D Lego show because JJ's with us and he's never seen it. So we're gonna go take a look at it. So they specifically requested not to see the Dora and Diego show again. So we're got about 15 minutes till the Lego one starts. So it's pretty fun. It's a little 4D experience. So. And it's cool inside. Nice AC, water, bubbles, wind, fun stuff. So we're gonna go do that real quick. And then I think we're done for the day. The park closes in about an hour and a half. I think it closes at 6. And we're gonna get out of here after that. Yeah. So, it's the end of our day. Time for us to say goodbye. We had a lot of fun. Real fun?
I had tons of fun.
We had a lot of fun. We saw a lot of cool stuff.
My favorite part was when I got to record.
Yeah. So hopefully you'll have seen some of those peppered throughout the videos. But we're going to get out of here. We're going home. What do we say?
Oh, bye. Till tomorrow.